Evil is not done by people who look different from us, who appear on the surface to be evil doers. The Holocaust was committed by people who looked like you and me. Adolf Eichmann was one of the chief operating officers of the final solution. He really tracked down every Jew possible. The trial of Adolf Eichmann is really a part of the landscape of my growing up. At Nuremberg, the crimes against the Jewish people had been a sidebar or an example of his crimes against humanity, so it was a subset. Here, this was front and center. First and foremost were his crimes against the Jewish people, his participation in the effort to annihilate, to wipe out all of European Jewry. Gideon Hausner, the prosecutor for Israel, was intent on capturing the emotional quality of what had happened, and the survivors told the story. You heard survivors telling the story one after the other. At Nuremberg, you had virtually no voices of those who had suffered. You had the documents, but you didn't have the people. Hausner wanted this trial to touch people's hearts. He wanted this trial to demonstrate why a state of Israel was necessary. It made some American Jews very uncomfortable, and it made other American Jews very proud. But it was a matter of anxiety for some. What would this cause? Would this cause an outbreak of anti-Semitism? Eichmann turned out to be a very good defendant. When Gideon Hausner began to cross-examine him, that was the point everybody was waiting for. And he fought and he fought and he wouldn't back down. And sometimes he was right. Sometimes Hausner was accusing him of things he hadn't done. At times, you saw the flash in his eyes and you understood the evil this man could do. It's a reminder of the dangers of genocide. Has it stopped genocide? In no way, and it's silly to think that it would. But to forget would be a greater tragedy. The most important thing in any trial is what the judge has to say at the end.